Hello and welcome to our agency. If you are watching this video, it means you might be joining our team. First of all, an important clarification: if we offer you an employee contract, you will receive an official document to sign. If you do not sign any contract, then you automatically work as an independent collaborator. As a freelancer, you work on your own account, you choose your assignments, and you simply send us an invoice to receive your payment. No employee contract equals freedom, flexibility, and pay for results.
Your mission: simple, digital, and supported at every step. You will perform very simple tasks on your phone or computer, from home or from our modern, air-conditioned office equipped with powerful computers. Here are the main missions: content layout for marketing materials, publishing on the virtual guide and mobile app, organizing information, follow-up emails for sales, small customer support tasks. Everything is guided, step by step, through very short and simple tutorials. Each task is explained on the screen. You just need to follow the instructions. Simple and quick progression. You start with the first step. Once you master it, you naturally move on to the next. You can also go client by client, step by step, depending on the company's needs. What you do in 1 hour the very first time, you will do in 2 minutes after a few days of practice. That's normal. You need a bit of perseverance at the beginning. That's why the agency pays you a little more the first time, to encourage learning.
Remuneration: simple, fair, and motivating. Some tasks are paid based on results. This allows you to earn up to 300 pesos per hour. Other tasks are paid hourly, with bonuses depending on your level and efficiency. The tables you will see in the video show the current scale and the possible earnings for each task.
Modules 1, 2, and 3. Module 1, Contact Research. A simple Google search plus visiting the website plus social media earns you 10 pesos per company added to the table. Module 2, Collecting Photos plus QR Code. Save 3 to 5 photos plus create a QR code for the website, an additional 20 pesos. Module 3, Content Creation. Copy and paste a script into ChatGPT, get a text plus a nice image, place everything on the Canva template at 20 pesos more. Just with these 3 modules, you already earn quick income while learning a real profession.
Commercial prospecting. Once the mockup is ready, you send an email copy-pasted to introduce the mockup to the prospect. Then, you follow up with a few short, simple emails or phone calls. The goal: to get a small video meeting to present the guide and help improve their presence. Hourly remuneration: beginner, 60 pesos per hour. Intermediate, 80 pesos per hour. Expert, 100 pesos per hour. Additional bonuses: each validation of a 1/8 page format plus 20 pesos, even if the client pays nothing. If the client chooses a larger format, your earnings increase. Finally, if you need to update the profile, it's paid again, just like at the beginning.
When you reach a good level, you can become a manager and help new members. Support, work verification, technical advice, team motivation: this role is paid hourly in addition to your missions. It's an excellent way to earn more while enhancing your experience. A system that benefits everyone. The more our team progresses, the more quality content we produce. Better content means more satisfied companies and thus more sales. And these sales allow our agency to redistribute more compensation, increase bonuses, offer more missions to everyone, create a stable, motivated team proud of their work. You are part of a virtuous circle. You progress, the agency develops, and everyone earns more.
Thanks to this system, you work whenever you want. You are paid for each action. You increase your income by progressing. You build a real flexible, stable income based on your efficiency. Our goal is to create comprehensive, professional, and attractive guides, and you are part of the team that can achieve it. And don't forget, regular challenges and bonuses are announced in the WhatsApp group. For example, plus 50 pesos for a perfectly completed double page. Welcome to the adventure. Your success starts today.